Hello and welcome. Welcome to all my knowledge partners. Welcome to my YouTube channel PHARMAVEN. With respect to the overwhelming response on my media field failure investigation series on the videos, I am making this video to further explain how to investigate media field failures. So in this specific video, I will be talking about the media field failures which are associated with the complex manufacturing system. Complex system, I mean to say, where there are SIP skids, CIP skids, lot of vessels which are involved into the manufacturing system. So I will be talking on that part of media field. So friends, when we have skids into the system, it is good to have skids into the systems because it prevents aseptic connections. But the challenge with respect to the skid are the same as with respect to the manual connection. So when you have lot of skid, lot of vessel inside your manufacturing system, your filtration system, there are a lot of gaskets, lot of clamps which are coming into the picture, and you have to ensure that all the connections, all the clamps, all the gaskets are intact and properly sealed. How to ensure that? So in this specific video, I will be talking three important points. One is proper connections. Two, ensuring that each and every gasket, each and every connection is ensured for tightness before you proceed for the media field. And third is leak test. So these are three important aspects when we are performing media field for a complex manufacturing system which involves multiple number of vessels. So let's begin. So when we are going for a complex manufacturing system and media field for the complex manufacturing system, you have to first ensure that your sterilization is robust. When I say robust, it has to be validated with considering all the requirement, all the connection, all the worst case scenario where you think based on your assessment that steam penetration or etching the temperature cannot be there, or we have to ensure that there are possibility of not achieving the temperature within this specific area. For example, if you have a skid of 2 to 3 filtration vessels, I will say, then the farthest end of this series can have the least exposure to the steam. So what you have to do, you have to place sensor in all your vessels, in all your critical connections, all your connections, and to the drain point of the last vessel in your series of filtration. So this is first point of assurance, that we have to ensure that your SIP is properly validated so that each and every vessel in your filtration skid and each and every connection till the drain point is achieving the desired sterilization temperature. If it is not properly ensured, not properly assessed, then in your media field you can get a gross failure in terms of it will be filling into the vessel itself. You don't have to go to the filling step. So that is first part. So ensure that you assessed all your placement of thermocouples within the SIP skid for the filtration vessels in the complex manufacturing system are properly evaluated, and we have ensured that either both temperature and biological indicator are meeting the acceptance criteria for that specific location. Till that assurance is not done, please don't proceed for any further processing, including media field. Once you have robust SIP validation, then you plan for your water trial, at least one water trial. What mistakes majority of people are doing is that they are directly going for the media field before taking a water trial of the entire system. So you have to take a trial, I'll say water trial, your placebo trial, that your manufacturing, your filtration, and your filling is working properly throughout the system. Once it is ensured, then only you go for the next step. Why? Because the complexity or the issues which may arise during your routine process, if you have not done the water trials, if you have not done the placebo trials with the product, then or simulating the product, then there are chances that you will find surprises during the media field, which can lead to media field failure. So this surprises, if arise during the media field failure, then it will be a black spot in your system that you had a media field failure. So to avoid that, please conduct a water trial with the system. Once you have done, you are sure that your water trial is successful, there are no leakages. See, one of the important aspect of your this skid system, where you have multiple vessels and multiple collections within the system involved, then leak test of the entire system is very important. You have to ensure that you are performing leak test just before your sterilization cycle, not after that, not after any intervention, and no any further connection or intervention should happen once you have done your complete leak test. Then you should go for the directly for the processing, which can be media fill, which can be product. So ensure that the entire your system is leak proof. When it is leak proof, then you go for your actual processing. So while going for the media fill, ensure that you have proper connections, you have proper gaskets, all the connections are ensured, there are no dead legs, no areas where the proper steam penetration is not there, including your filters, including your connections, including your vent filters, including your connection to the filling line, including all of your system where your steam is getting drained out. Ensure that each and every part of your system is getting required temperature. Once it is done, then only you go for the media fill. This is the one way of avoiding the media fill failure into the complex system where we have multiple vessels and sterilization in place technology, SIP in sterilization in place, which is called SIP, is involved. Then only you go for the media fill. By this proper, yes, of course, it will take some time. It can take a week to evaluate all these things, but it is better to spend a week on preparation rather than spending 2 months in your investing your media fill failure. So hope this helped. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, you can subscribe to my channel PHARMAVEN. Thank you to all my knowledge partners.